Well, good morning to you all, my friends. My name is William Rosner, and I live and I work in this huge town, Swansea. I'm responsible for organising the census, and I'm very busy at the moment because the town is growing and growing. There are a lot of people coming here from all corners of the world to look for work and for a new life in the port and also in the copperworks of the town. I get to meet a lot of them in the course of my work. Would you like to learn a little bit more about some of them? Now then, here is Ebenezer Pierce, one of the printers who earn their daily bread in Swansea. Now, he came from Bristol originally, and he's really landed on his feet here because everybody wants to know about what's going on here and all over the world. He sells newspapers. He produces pamphlets, posters, well, to say nothing of books. Everybody wants to read. And books are still very expensive, but no problem. Mr. Pierce is the owner of a circulating library. Well, don't buy books, borrow them. It's really quite cheap. And now I'd like to talk to the ladies. Are you looking for a husband? Or for a new husband, perhaps? Well, I know the perfect man. Well, not me, no. Starling Benson is his name. He is healthy, he's unmarried, and he's rich too. He's a miner and also a copper master. And copper is worth more than gold in Swansea at the moment, isn't it? Well, Swansea is the copper capital of the world. Copperopolis. He's a very talented man, Mr. Benson. He collects fossils. He's an enthusiastic geologist and an energetic dancer in the assembly rooms. A very popular and likable character. That's what Mr. Benson is. And talking about copper, well, here's the man who knows a lot about the history of copper in this part of the world. Mr. George Grant Francis. Well, he's written books about it. He's a very well-known historian, but he's also very much a philanthropist. He's one of the main founders of the Royal Institute of South Wales. He also takes part and contributes to the civic life of our town. He is an excellent councillor. Well, the next mayor, perhaps. What a successful man. What about William Byrd? Well, Dr. William Byrd is one of the most important people of the town. He's an immigrant too, from Crickhowell in Brecknockshire. Oh, a gentleman. And he's rich too, because his patients have to pay for their treatment. Big money too. Now he lives with his family in a big house in Burrows Road. He's got a wife and 4 children. And 4 servants also to keep his house clean. He's a very kind and compassionate man. He's very concerned about the health of the poor people who live in this our town. And he is convinced that many of their problems are caused by their appalling diet. and the foul water that they have to drink. Well, I've got to go now. It's almost midday already. Oh, but before I go, do you like my watch? Made of silver by Mr. Hennessy. Hennessy. Now, that's not a Welsh name, is it? You see, there are lots of Irish living here in Swansea. And the biggest part of them are unskilled and uneducated. But Mr. Hennessy is an exception. He is an amazing craftsman. He produces all kinds of scientific equipment, from naval quadrants to chronometers, from telescopes to, to watches like this. And what about the price? I know you want to ask. What did it cost? Well, stop being so nosy. Well, it really is time for me to go now, but don't forget, I'll be knocking at your door before very long. My very best wishes.